Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upscale 4K video in Davinci Resolve. It's super nice and it's gonna look way much better. It's my opinion. I saw a difference. Now it's not perfect, but there is a difference. Not like super incredible difference, but it is better. So what do you have to go? Just fire up DaVinci Resolve and then go to timeline here, and then here just when you right click on this, you have timelines and then timeline settings, and then here make sure you uncheck this button, and then here timeline resolution we're gonna have to scroll a little bit down and select Ultra HD. And here now we also make sure in mismatch resolution we have this option scale entire image to fit, and then you also can click on this, right click on your video, and here I forgot to mention, make sure here when you go to timeline settings, make sure in the output here you have checked this use timeline settings for output scaling. So here if you have this resolution, maybe you have this selected, and then the output of the resolution is going to be this one, which is not what you want. You want the same resolution, so make sure you check this box. Alright, perfect. Now what I would do actually is right click on this and select here clip attributes, and from here as well you make sure you have 60 fps. Of course that it can help. Here in time code name we have a couple of settings we can make here, but the one that I would like to look at here is Superscale. Make sure here you set 4K, you set high, sharpness high, and noise reduction high as well. This is really going to make a difference when you set super high to 4K, 4x, not 4K, sorry, 4x. And what's going to do this? And basically the Superscale, it's going to upscale your clip by 4x, especially in the resolution. So this can be helpful if you need your footage to fit a higher resolution project or output. Now sharpness, this will increase the edge definition in the upscale image. This can make details appear more crisp, but be careful, like sometimes this excessive sharpening can lead to making more look unnatural, it's going to give it like an unnatural look, but depends on the image, the video. Now also in high reduction, and this will smooth out any grain or noise present in the original footage. This can be effective for noisy low light videos. Now click on OK. Now let's go to deliver, and here also it shows me the Davinci Resolve Studio because I changed this to those features are paid. You need to have like the Davinci Studio Resolve Studio, right? If you want those features. Now here resolution, let's set to Ultra HD, 60 frames, and encoding high, and here automatic, here restriction no, just set to hide 80k usually I set to, and then you just have to add to render queue. And now click on utilize download, and select download and save and add, and then just click on render all. That's what you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.